Do you know that popular e-commerce websites marketed over 500,000 brand new products daily? Yes. They are earning billions in sales. The excellent thing regarding this is that it opens to associate business, where marketing professionals earn high payments every solitary day. I have to inform you that it is not incredibly easy to be effective in this line of organization. You need to have technological skills in structure associate e-commerce websites. That is why others are paying designers and programmers just to finish the job. Well, today I have the excellent remedy where you don't need to spend even more. Introducing WP Commission Machine. This is a brand new 3-in-1 plugin that develops e-com associate shops in just 51 seconds. It assists you obtain 100% commissions on full autopilots from Amazon, eBay.com, and also AliExpress. Fantastic, appropriate, want to recognize more? Allows go inspect this review. Features 1. Include unlimited products to any site you create. WP Commission Machine allows you import endless products from any one of these 3 large e-commerce websites and also add them to your very own site. No limitation to how several products you can make payments from. 2. Instantaneous eBay import. Our eBay module allows you to discover single or multiple product listing from within your WordPress site and also add them as products to your website to earn compensations quickly. 3. Amazon.com product import. The Amazon module works simply as expected. Go into a keyword, find the items associated with it as well as add them all to your very own site in simply one click. 4. AliExpress fast import. AliExpress is the fastest e-com site in China and uses incredibly affordable price products that you can conveniently include in your own e-com affiliate site in simply one click. 5. Automatic affiliate links. Compensation Machine is clever and also includes your affiliate links per as well as every item added to your site on total autopilot. You'll never have to manually include associate web links ever again. 6. 60-second setup and launch in just 60 seconds. You can configuration a new autopilot e-com affiliate shop for yourself. No troubles, no technology understanding called for. Completely newbie friendly. 7. Automatic image importing. Our incredible plugin also automatically imports the primary product picture and also all associated images per thing included in your website from the source website, making each listing higher converting. 8. Immediately fetches reviews, descriptions and in details. You'll never ever need to bother with the information. Commission Machine gets you every little thing pertaining to an item included to your site, client evaluations, in-depth product summaries as well as all the minute information. 9. Autopilot import of new products. Set and forget software does it for you. This plugin is completely set and unfail to remember, which means when you establish it up, you won't need to run an additional setup ever before. Once again, it will instantly include new items to your categories every day. 10. Advanced search and filters. Finding products to offer on your website has actually never been less complicated, with innovative filters to locate products by keyword phrase, price, ratings and also several other options. You can select the perfect items conveniently. 11. Assistance 7+ countries for e-com sites. Several e-com websites like Amazon provide of numerous countries and have different variations of their website for each nation. Stress not, our plugin functions perfectly with all those nations as well as you can connect to the ideal store based upon your selection. 12. Automatic currency conversion. Obtaining international website traffic. No issue, WP Commission Machine will automatically convert between currencies for all your items, so whether you visitors are from United States, UK, Australia, or China, they can see costs in their very own money. 13. Smart dashboard for all products and in sales. All your sales, items as well as comprehensive statistics are available in a gorgeous dashboard for you to see and track every little thing in a solitary view. 14. Import single product by ID or SIN. If you just intend to find and import specific products and not all at the exact same time, you can do that quickly by searching the product by name, ID or SIN code of the item and also clicking one switch. Download and install WP Commission Machine now. Exactly how does it work? Step 1. Enter a few niche product keywords to find and include your items. Action 2. Choose your filters and in categories to add your products. Action 3. 1. Newbie friendly. 2. Super very easy to utilize. 3. Remarkable bonuses included. 4. Responsive technological assistance. Bad points. 1. You require to speak to support work desk for any type of questions. 2. You require associate IDs for any type of websites you desire to import products or advertise from. 3. You no longer requires 3 different websites to earn commissions from Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress.